Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make money in Ghana or anywhere in the country by playing games on the agro game website. I'll leave the link in the description. Click on that link and create an account. Use that link to create an account and you'll be rewarded with 1 Ghana cedis. So after you have created your account, let me show you how you can start making money on this platform. You have to first play this game, the penalty shootout. You have to first play this game and you earn more money from this website. When you play the game your money become insufficient, you can make a deposit of 10 Ghana cedis, only 10 Ghana cedis on this platform. The minimum is only 10 Ghana cedis, and you can play a game. You can play Spa, Loot, and so many on. You can make more money from this website. So let me show you how you can make money from this penalty shootout. So you have to select the one that you use. So you click on this button and you click on the 0.2. Then you have to use the direction that it is showing on the phone. So you have to follow what I'm doing. So I have won 0.3 pesos now. With this score I've earned 40 pesos. So you have to keep on playing this game and you earn much money from this. So you click on take money and you receive your money in your account. So this is a simple way you can make money on this website, playing game and withdraw through MoMo. The minimum withdrawal is just 3 Ghana cedis. The minimum deposit is 10 Ghana cedis and the minimum withdrawal is 3 Ghana cedis. Make money online by playing game. You can make over 100 cedis a day per day. So let me show you how you can increase your money on this platform. So you can play Spa, you can play Loot, and so many on. So when you want to earn or increase your earnings on this platform, you have to increase your VIP. And using the VIP one or other VIP, you can earn points to redeem all these things, and they will send these items to you when you redeem it. So you have to upgrade your VIP level to increase your earnings. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video.